Children recovering from spinal cord injuries now have a new home for care in Louisville. One mother tells us the program at the Fraser Rehab Institute, which just held a ribbon cutting for its expansion, helped change her son's future.
In January of 2025, our family was involved in a devastating head-on collision while traveling home from our New Year's vacation.
For Amanda Welker's family, life changed in an instant.
The accident claimed the life of my mom and left our son Austin paralyzed from the waist down.
What followed after was months of hospitals, rehab, and uncertainty, leaving the family searching for a way forward.
After nearly 60 days in the hospital and inpatient rehab, it was finally time for us to go home. What should have felt like a milestone felt overwhelming.
That search led them to Kosair for Kids Center for Pediatric Neurorecovery at Fraser Rehab.
A few months later, through Louisville Lightning Families, I learned about the Pediatric Neurorecovery Program. That introduction changed the trajectory of Austin's recovery.
Wednesday, UofL Health, and Kosair for Kids celebrated the opening of a new home for the Pediatric Neurorecovery Program.
This center will serve children as young as 6 months old with spinal cord injury, helping them build movement, independence, and confidence as they grow.
The expanded facility brings clinical care, therapy, and research together under one roof.
And this is where a child can be both a patient and a pioneer.
For families, the goal is simple: help children do things once thought impossible.
Through the research program, we saw meaningful gains in Austin's leg function, strength, and confidence. We also saw improvements in areas that impacted independence and quality of life.
But Austin's mom says the biggest change can't be measured in a therapy session.
But perhaps the greatest gift wasn't the physical progress. It was hope. Hope for Austin, hope for our family, hope for a future that looked different than the one we had planned, but still full of possibility.
A feeling leaders say this new facility will bring to more families for years to come.
And that new center spans more than 13,000 square feet and will allow the program to expand from serving about 14 patients a day to as many as 24.